In this video, to get voice chat on Roblox and also how to verify your account. So for this, you need to go to Roblox and click more in the left hand side and click the setting option and go to account information. And here you can see the account information for that. In this, you need to verify your age. Okay. So if you doing and check your age to get more features. If you verify your age means you can get more features that include the voice chat too. Okay. So for this case, you need to click the continue with camera and the continue with ID. You can do both the things. Okay, first we go with the continue with camera and click continue with camera and click continue. So you maybe do by using your laptop or else using by your mobile phone. So the camera is on. After that, you need to turn left and right side. That's it. It will verify your age by doing this. Once you have completed after, you need to go for second step. Okay, so now it's estimating your age. It's estimated 21 plus, and you can see you can use chat and some of the features. So after that, you need to come back and wait for a couple of seconds because it's estimating, so it's loading takes some seconds. So you need to wait for a couple of seconds, be patient, and after that you can see now the second step is there. Use an ID to verify your birthday. Okay, so for that one you need to click same things, you need to click continue. After that you need to give your proof. So here you can see the driving license, passport, national ID, voter ID. So in this you need to give you need to show it to camera side, and it will take photos and continuing it will scan it and click continue. It will uploading. So be patient, it will take a few seconds. So once it's upload complete, after you can go back and go to settings and you can see the new features. So it's still uploading, it takes some time to complete the process, so be patient. And after that you need to come back and go to settings and go to come back because it will loading still become late. So come back and go to privacy and communication settings. In this you can see the voice chat is enabled. So this is how to enable the voice chat and features. So you can go with games and check. Thank you.